is your soul. That child is God. See what I'm saying? That child is God. That's why they put you through this system, to lock that child up. See what I'm saying? To box that child in, to control that child. That's why. That's why. Then they sold you the illusion of adulthood, growing up. So now you got people saying, "Oh, you childish." Motherfucker, that's your true nature, to be childish. The fuck you thought? Oh, you childish, you need to grow up. We don't grow up, we glow up. Remember that. Let that sink in. We don't grow up, we glow up. You're supposed to be childish. Let that child out. Happiness. Long as you're in your heart space, doing what you love to do. Because that's the only thing that's gonna fulfill you. You will never be fulfilled doing something outside of your heart. Doing something against your will. Doing something that you don't want to do. That's selling your soul. A lot of people don't know that they sold their soul to the false reality, the false God. See what I'm saying? Being something that they don't want to be, doing shit that they don't want to do. Why you think when people go to work, they are not content? They are pissed off. They are not happy, but they around here pretending to be happy when all actuality they real true authentic self reminds them that they are not fucking happy. Get up out that illusion. See what I'm saying? Get up out that fucking illusion.